23 miles an hour.
Yes. Man, 4 trains.
I thought I heard something when I was up there. It started freaking me out. You want me to back up a little? Because it's pretty close.
Yes. Right there. There we go.
We will deliver Union Pacific.
It says we will deliver to you. Well, 4
Now he's
trains.
doing 19 miles an hour.
I can't believe there's 4 trains.
I know.
They are busy today with trains.
We slowed down a little bit. 18 miles an hour now.
Yes. KFS it says. Man, he's going so slow. It looks like he's going to stop.
Now he's doing 16.
There's something on that wheel. I can't believe there's a 4th train.
Is that a Kansas City Southern right there?
No, it isn't. That's one of those that say do not hum.
This black one?
No, it isn't a Kansas City sign. It says do not hum.
Oh, okay. Do not hammer on car. 17 now, he's sped up a little bit.
And it's saying that that train is going to be long with lots of train engines.
Track sounds nice and good.
Maybe you could sit 4 trains at the area where they sit in Cambridge.
They had to have been sitting up there. Oh, there's the end. Doing 19 now.
There's lots of graffiti on these hoppers. He's gonna go a little bit faster.
$109.
Top speed of 19.